Hi guys, Barnes here, and I'm going to show you how to switch backside crooked stall. This is a fairly easy trick, and if you already learned how to tail stall and rock to fakie, you should try it, and I'm sure you can learn it quick. Yes, I know I'm riding fakie, but if I drop and switch and quickly shift my front foot to the nose, I will be in the same position. So a good setup trick for this is a rock to fakie, because if you do that, you are already in the perfect foot position for the trick. So your front foot on the nose and your back foot over the balls. Make sure you have enough speed to reach the coping. You need roughly the same speed, just like when you do your tail stall. However, there is a slight difference with this trick. When your front wheels reach the coping, you have to shift all your weight to the front and let one of your wheels roll over the coping, tilt your board and just sit in that switch crooked position. So as you go up the ramp, make sure you have enough speed to reach the top, and as soon as you're about to reach the coping, you have to shift all your weight to your front foot, straighten your front leg, and let your wheels roll over the coping. Put all your weight on the front of your board to lock into the crooked position. At the same time, you have to bend your back leg, because that back leg will help you to hold the position and will help with the balance for this trick. Hold your stall as long as you can, and when you have your balance right and when you're ready to get back to the ramp, all you need to do is to turn your shoulders slightly, so let your truck come back to the ramp, then shift your balance back to the center of your board, and just like a drop-in, push your board down to get back into the ramp. When your wheels hit the ramp, make sure your weight is evenly distributed in the center of your board, because if you don't commit 100% to the drop, and if you lean back, you might slip out. A quick recap on what to practice. Start with the setup rock to fakie, so when you're riding up the ramp, your front foot is already in the nose and your back foot over the balls. Let your wheels roll over the coping, shift your weight to your front foot and straighten your front leg, and keep your back leg bent for good balance. Hold your position as long as you like, and then just drop back to the ramp. Just like a drop-in, lean forward, let your truck come back to the ramp, and push down your board. Shift your balance quickly to the center of your board, and roll away. Now it's your turn to go out and start to practice. If you have any questions or something to share, use the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. Like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified for the weekly video. Follow me on different socials, but as always, the most important is to go skate and have fun.